This will be the tutorial for Lesson 8, Dance Party. Let's begin with number 1.
Hi, my name is Miral Kadvi, and I'm a dancer, software developer, and creator of Illuminate. Computer science relates to creativity in numerous ways, immeasurable, really. I mean, once you have the ability to write software, you can put ideas into anything. I do it with light suits. There's so much you can do once you have the tools to write software, and the possibilities are really endless. Over the next hour, you're going to get started with computer science by programming your own dance party. We've assembled some hit music and a team of great dancers for you to play with. You'll be using blocks of code to choose different dancers. Change your dance moves, make them respond to the music, and make them interactive. You'll see that your screen is split into 3 main parts. On the left is a play space. This is where your dancers will show up. The middle area is a toolbox. New blocks of code will be available in this space as you go through the lessons. The space to the right is the workspace. You can drag blocks out of the toolbox and into the workspace to build your program. The instructions for each level will be up here at the top of the screen. If you need a hint, just click the light bulb. To start off, let's make a new dancer with this red block. First, drag it out of the toolbox and snap it under this orange setup block. This dancer's a cat. You can also change where the dancer appears in your play space with this. Above the play space is the menu for picking out music. There are a ton of songs to choose from, so have fun finding your favorites. Under the play space is the run button. When you press run, you'll see the dancers from your program appear in the play space and the music will play. Try it yourself. And if you're feeling stuck, it's okay. Just get up and get moving. And before you know it, you'll have made your own dance party. So, what will you create?
So that is a very good introduction to this unit. When you're ready, go ahead and click continue and we'll actually solve our first puzzle. Just the way that she did, we're going to add 1 character to the play area. And here it is. It says choose a type of dancer here. Now, if you click on the triangle, you get a couple of choices right now. As the puzzles go on, you will have more characters to choose from. Right now, you have a cat and a sloth. So when it's your turn, go ahead and choose whichever one you want. I'm just going to go ahead and add this one here. You'll notice in the video, she did mention that if you click over here in this little arrow, you get a drop menu, and it has literally almost 100 songs, and you're welcome to choose whichever song. You're welcome to spend a little bit of time here and pick songs that you like or don't like. But when you are ready, go ahead and click run. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Now, that was really, really loud. So when you're using your headphones, please make sure that you have it at about half volume. When you're ready, click continue.
My name is Erin, and I am a software engineer here at Code.org, and I helped build Dance Party. To make different dance moves happen at just the right time with the music, you can use something called events. An event tells your program to listen for something to happen and then react right away. Some examples of events are listening for a mouse click, an arrow button, or a tap on the screen. Here, you are going to program a dancer to perform a move when you press the arrow buttons on your screen or the keys on your keyboard. You can use the When Up Arrow event block and connect a Do Once block to it. When you press the up arrow key, the code attached to the When Up Arrow block is run. Which dance move will you choose? Make sure the type of dancer you choose matches one of the dancers you created inside the setup block, or you might not see anything happen. Eventually, you can create more events like this to make your dancers perform different moves with each key. Give it a try, and with a few lines of code, you can make your own interactive dance.
Okay, when you do that, please click continue to move on to the next puzzle. Here is puzzle number 4. So in this, I'm going to go ahead and read the directions out loud. It says when the When Up pressed, which is this one, it's already here. It is a event block. And the up in reference here is the block here that has the arrow pointing up, or the button on your keyboard that is pointing upwards will also work. The event block lets you run code when you press the arrow buttons. Use the cat do clap once block to make the cat clap. Make sure you press the up arrow key or the after clicking the run button. So they're asking us to take this block and connect it to the green event block. So in this case, the cat will start doing what he was doing a moment ago, which was just bouncing around. But then when you click the up button, which is this one, the cat will do this specific dance move. Yes, there are other choices, but for now, it is asking for you to make the cat clap. So make sure that you do that one. And remember, the volume is a little bit loud, so prepare your ears. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and click up. You saw him do that every time I click the arrow. Click continue, and this will be puzzle number 5. This will be the last one for now. It's time for a dance-off. Program each dancer to move when you press the different keys. Choose your favorite move for each dancer or set it to random for something totally unpredictable. So you'll notice that this one says when up pressed, bear will perform a random dance move. So this one should be for the other character. So let's go ahead and get that on there. And sure enough, this one says cat. You can see up here that we have a cat and a bear. This block will control the bear. This block will control the cat. And yes, you can choose a very specific dance move. There are plenty of them for you to choose from here. I'm going to leave it at random because that means that it'll be a surprise. And this one will work when I press up, and this one will work when I press down. Prepare your ears. Very good. We're going to go ahead and stop right here. Click replay and make sure that you have turned blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 bright green. The next puzzle is a video. You are welcome to watch it, or you can wait until our next lesson. Thank you.